Technological tools against disinformation were on display in Taipei Wednesday at a contest sponsored by the U.S. State Department. 7 companies from around the world were chosen to demonstrate their tech solutions for fighting disinformation and propaganda.
At the opening ceremony of this 2-day event, AIT Deputy Director Raymond Green praised Taiwan for putting up strong defenses against false information from China. He said that Taiwan and the U.S. were partners in confronting the challenge of disinformation.
AIT and the U.S. Global Engagement Center are hosting the 2-day U.S. Taiwan Tech Challenge, where tech teams are demoing their solutions against disinformation.
Taiwan is on the front line of the disinformation battlefield and faces attacks from a very determined opponent. China has invested heavily to develop ever more sophisticated ways to weaken Taiwan's hard-won democracy and freedom. The United States and Taiwan are capable and complementary partners in confronting the challenge of disinformation.
And this is very creative and involves the CIA. The CIA printed 2 invisible ink for ballots so that if you vote for Han, the ink will disappear over time. And no matter whether you vote for Tsai or not, the ink will appear over time.
Teams from 7 companies are competing in the contest, which offers $250,000 in prizes. At the event, countries including the U.S. expressed interest in a map Taiwan's government released to provide accurate information about face mask supplies.
In early February, there was quite a bit of disinformation. There were even some phishing ads related to the mask situation. This disinformation was able to proliferate because at the time, people didn't have a transparent channel of information on mask production capacity or where masks were available. Our friends at the National Health Insurance Administration were very willing to communicate with pharmacies during their work. Pharmacies were also very willing to be open and let people know about the situation every day. I think that this is extremely commendable.
Tang said the face mask map was a key step forward for Taiwan's open governance. This small but potent solution was able to put the public's mind at ease as well as to capture international interest for Taiwan.